Hello. Today we are going to learn the fire alarm system layout. In this fire alarm system layout, we will understand that how to design the fire alarm system. For that, we must aware about the apparatus or the devices used in a fire alarm system. This is called smoke detector. Smoke detectors is the apparatus or the device used in a fire alarm system. This smoke detectors sense the smokes and gives a signal to the fire alarm panel. And then fire alarm panel convert this signal into the command and gives the connected apparatus or the devices which must active in case of fire. Next device is called as a heat detector. Heat detector sends the heat of the required area and gives the signal to the fire alarm panel, and then fire alarm panel convert this signal into the command and gives this command to the different apparatus which is connected to the fire alarm panel, like fire hydrant, pumps, multiple systems is available to connect with the fire alarm panel. So smoke detectors and heat detectors are the active devices which senses the heat and smokes in case of fire occurred. Next is the ceiling speaker. Ceiling speaker is the device which requires in case of fire alarm and public addressable panel. So there is the FAPA panel available into the firefighting system. So when there is a speakers, it must like that you have the fire alarm and public addressable system. In the public addressable system, the sound creates or the message creates, and this message conveyed by this ceiling speakers. When there is a panic area, Hooter is also noise-making device. This makes the noise in case of fire. When the fire occurs, fire alarm systems gives the command to the Hooter and then the Hooter start. Next is the manual call point. Manual call point is the device available at the lift lobby area or the fire lobby. This device is operating by the manually. Any person can break the fireman plus and on the MCP, that is manual call point. So the signal goes to the different types of fire alarm systems. Fire alarm system is the device, the main device, which receives the signals from the different apparatus or the devices and convert that into the command. Communication cable is required to each and every devices to be connect, so that communication connect with each and every area. Power cable, power required to each and every apparatus and the device so that it can be continuously on. So let us start the fire alarm system. Let us start the design of fire alarm system on the AutoCAD software. Firstly, let us start with smoke detector. Smoke detector need to be placed on each 8-meter distance or maybe 7 to 8 meter distance. This distance has been given by the NFPA, National Fire Protection Association. So smoke detector is there, and I will place the smoke detector on each 7-meter distance at the open area. So this is the 7-meter distance, and the starting point of the smoke detector may be from 3 meter. So I will place firstly on a 3 meter, and after that it will be center to center on a 7 meter. So this is how I place the smoke detector, and these smoke detectors need a center to center distance. From here I will start the 3 meter distance. So after every smoke detector there is a distance of 7 meter. So this is how I place the smoke detectors, like this. Be sure that smoke detector may not become on the column or any beam. So this is how I install the smoke detectors on every 7 meter, and from the wall it may be 2 meter or 1 meter. So on the open area I have installed the smoke detector. At the same time, you must understand that you required the smoke detectors on each 7-meter distance like this. So I have placed the smoke detectors like this on each 7-meter distance. After that, After the open area, I will install the smoke detector in each cabin. Because each cabin requires the fire alarm system, so I will put this smoke detector on each cabin like this. Approximately distance covered up by the smoke detectors is 1.22 square meter. But each cabin also required the smoke detectors. So I am placing the smoke detectors on each 7 meter distance. If it is not covered 7 meter distance, put 6 meter distance also. There is no problem to put 2 smoke detector in each big cabin like conference room, then training room, compactor room. Then each and every cabin, I am putting the smoke detectors like this. So this is how to install the smoke detectors on every 7 meter distance. When there is an open area, try to keep 7 meter distance. If it is not covered up, if it is not 7 meter distance, try to minimize the distance. It is also acceptable. So what I'm doing, I'm just putting the smoke detectors like this by the approximate distance. Put each smoke detectors on every cabin so that it can be covered up all the area. So I'm putting the speakers, smoke detectors like this in a meeting room, in each cabin, like meeting room, cabin, server room. We need not to be placed the smoke detectors in a server room because server room smoke detectors has the special criteria. Server or UPS room is a special room which requires FM 200 system, so we cannot put the smoke detectors in a server room. So try to install the smoke detectors on a general area like storeroom, ASU, then multiple cabins. I am putting these smoke detectors on the Equidistance. Be careful about the open area. In the open area, we must install the smoke detectors on each 7 meter distance, like this. So adjust your smoke detectors accordingly. Like if it is not cover up, if it is coming on this column, so adjust your smoke detectors like this and install it on Equidistance as per requirement. So here I'm putting the smoke detectors like this on the respective distance. Here you can maintain the 7 meter distance like this. In an office area, keep this 7 meter distance for your smoke detectors, and if it is going beyond the 7 meters, try to maintain like this. Try to maintain the smoke detectors on each and every area so that each and every area can be protected from the fire. So I have keeping this 7 meter distance, and almost I have done the smoke detectors. Do not forget to mention smoke detectors each and every area. Other than toilets, toilet doesn't require any smoke detectors, so do not install the smoke detectors into the toilet area. Try to keep each smoke detectors like this on the passage. So meanwhile, I have completed the installation of smoke detectors, or the location of the smoke detectors. This is how to design, this is how to install or locate the smoke detectors on a working area.